Hello everyone, it's John Williams and I'm thrilled you're here today. Did you know your face shape can drastically impact how a hairstyle looks on you? It's true. Your face shape is the lead violin and the hairstyle, that's the beautiful melody that complements it perfectly. Today we're unlocking a new level of confidence by understanding the geometry of your face and finding the most flattering hairstyle to match. This video is a must-watch for anyone wanting to elevate their style. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's embark on this fantastic journey. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the oval face shape. If you're in the oval club, you've basically won the hairstyle lottery. The oval face is beautifully balanced, giving you incredible freedom to experiment. You can carry off short crops, long flowing locks, and everything in between. One popular style for an oval face is long, luscious waves, adding softness and movement. Another iconic style is the classic bob, highlighting the elegant line of the jaw and neck. Pixie cuts, stunning. Shoulder-length cuts with subtle layers, effortlessly chic. Even adventurous styles like an edgy undercut look fantastic. The oval face gives you the freedom to choose based on preference rather than necessity. So embrace that versatility. It's a gift. Chat with your stylist, bring in pictures, and explore different textures and lengths. Think about your lifestyle and the overall vibe you're going for. The oval face is a fantastic starting point, a canvas ready for any artistic flourish. Go forth and experiment. Let's talk about the charming round face shape. If your face is as wide as it is long with softer curved lines, welcome to the round-faced family. The key is to add gentle angles and vertical illusion to create more definition. Styles that add height at the crown and keep the sides slimmer can be incredibly flattering. Layered cuts are a godsend for round faces, breaking up the solidity and introducing movement. Side-swept bangs are your best friend, adding a touch of softness while creating a slimming effect. Styles that fall below the chin or longer are fantastic choices. A long bob that grazes the shoulders can be incredibly flattering. If you love shorter hair, a pixie cut with volume on top can look stunning. It's all about creating elongating lines and adding definition. Work with your stylist to find a cut that makes you feel fabulous and confident. Your lovely face shape has so much charm, and the right hairstyle will enhance its natural beauty. Now, let's turn our attention to the strong and striking square face shape. If you have a broad forehead, wide cheekbones, and a distinct jawline, you possess a wonderfully defined facial structure. The aim is to soften those angles and add roundness and movement. Styles that add texture, waves, or curls are fantastic, introducing curves and movement. Soft curls or waves are a square face's best companion, breaking up harshness and adding grace. Layered bobs can be chic, with layers that add softness and texture. If you prefer longer hair, long layers starting around the chin can add beautiful movement. It's about embracing styles that introduce softness, texture, and movement. Avoid super sharp geometric cuts that compete with your natural angles. Talk to your stylist about incorporating layers and a subtle side part. With the right touches, your hairstyle will be an absolute masterpiece. Let's move on to the charming heart-shaped face. If your forehead is the widest part of your face, tapering down to a narrower chin, you have a heart shape. The goal is to create balance, adding volume around the jawline to complement the broader forehead. Hairstyles that add fullness or soft waves around the lower part of the face work wonders. Chin-length bobs are fantastic, adding volume and width where it's needed most. A deep side part can be particularly flattering, sweeping hair across the forehead and drawing attention to your eyes and cheekbones. If you prefer longer hair, aim for styles with more fullness from the chin down. Long layers starting around the chin or shoulders can be stunning. Add some oomph around your chin and jaw, whether through a bob, waves, or layers. A side part can soften the forehead. Avoid styles that are too full on top, as this can make the forehead appear wider. With these tips, you'll find a hairstyle that looks incredible and makes you feel radiant. Your unique shape is beautiful, and the right hairstyle will make it sing. Next up, we have the elegant long face shape. If your face is longer than it is wide, with similar width across the forehead, cheekbones, and jawline, you fall into this category. The aim is to create the illusion of more width and add horizontal volume. Styles that add volume around the cheekbone level are effective, visually widening the face. Waves and curls are a dream for long face shapes, adding horizontal volume and softness. Shoulder-length cuts are often a fantastic sweet spot, hitting where you want to build width. If you're a fan of bangs, blunt or curtain bangs can visually shorten the face. Embrace curls, waves, and layers that add volume at the sides. Consider a shoulder-length cut for a balanced look. Avoid styles that are flat on top and very long and straight. With the right cut, you'll enhance your natural elegance and create a stunning look. Your unique shape is beautiful, and the right hairstyle will make it sing. Now let's talk about the dazzling diamond face shape. If your forehead and jawline are narrower and your cheekbones are the widest part of your face, you're a diamond. The goal is to soften the forehead and jawline while showcasing your cheekbones. Styles that add volume around the chin area can be very flattering. Chin-length bobs work beautifully, adding fullness around the narrower jawline. Shoulder-length cuts with layers can add volume where it's needed. If you're considering bangs, softer styles like wispy or side-swept bangs can add width to the forehead. Avoid heavy, blunt bangs if your forehead is narrow. Choose styles that celebrate your cheekbones while adding softness and volume to the forehead and jawline. Play with texture and find styles that allow your natural bone structure to shine. Your unique shape is beautiful, and the right hairstyle will make it sing. Finally, we arrive at the lovely pear-shaped face. If your jawline is the widest part of your face and your forehead is narrower, you have a pear-shaped face. The key is to add volume and width to the upper part of your face, particularly around the forehead and temples. Styles that add height and volume at the temples and crown are your best friends. Layered cuts are essential, especially those concentrated in the top and mid-sections. Styles with noticeable volume at the crown are a fantastic choice. Consider a hairstyle that incorporates a fuller fringe or bangs that add width to the forehead. Avoid very sleek styles that are flat on top and full at the bottom. Embrace layers, especially around the crown and temples. Go for styles that add height and width to the upper part of your face. A well-chosen fringe can work wonders. By strategically adding fullness where it's needed most, you'll create a stunningly balanced look. Your unique shape is beautiful, and the right hairstyle will make it sing. Well, there we have it, my wonderful friends. We've journeyed through the ovals, rounds, squares, hearts, longs, diamonds, and pears. The key takeaway is that it's all about balance and celebrating your natural features. Whether it's adding volume, creating angles, or softening lines, the right cut can make you feel amazing. Find a skilled stylist who understands face shapes and hair textures. Share your face shape in the comments below and tell us about your hairstyle experiences. Check out the links in the video description for more inspiration and tools. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go forth and be beautifully, uniquely you. Click the link in the description to book your perfect getaway and grab all your travel essentials to make your trip unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and destination guides. Happy travels, and see you on the road.